Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn on how to record your audio on your MacBook. So you know that MacBook has great voice recorders like iPhones. Sometimes I even use the microphone from outside, but they don't work well. And MacBook microphone is great, is much better than that. So what you have to do is follow my steps on how to record your audio on your MacBook. So first of all, what you have to do is go in here and make sure to download this app from App Store. So this is a great app with no ads. It's totally free and you will thank me later. You want to download this app called Simple Recorder. Just once you download it, you just have to click on it. And once you click on it, there will be a notch available on this side called this is a black notch. You will automatically see the notch. You will be wondering nothing appeared, but you will see a notch in here. You can see that notch. That notch is indicating that there is something to be recorded. We want to click on it and you can set the volume, set the microphone settings, and if you have anything other you can do that as well, and click on the record button. And once you click on that, you can see the audio is being recorded on this Mac. So this is a very easy and quick method. Once you're done, click on that and click on stop or pause if you want to stop it for a while, or if you want to finish it, just stop it. And once you're done, you can see a documented file. It will be saved in download folder for in my case, and you want to click on save and it will be saved on your system. You can see that it's saved. So this is a quick and easy method on how you can record and save your audios on your MacBook. If you like this video, make sure to leave a comment below, subscribe to this channel. We will see you in another video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.